Shemai. Yes, I am smiling because I'm going to review my new Kala Orange Paisley Solid Body U-Bass today. Yes, I am grinning like the Cheshire Cat. And yes, when I first saw this bass, I thought, I need that. Why do I need it? To get rid of the feeling of want. Wow, it is stunning. Now, I'm going to have to admit, I did ask, are there going to be any purple or pink Paisleys coming out? But unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's going to be. So I had to get this orange one. It got under my skin. I just kept thinking that is so nice. Apart from, let me give you a little close-up a minute, the Paisley print on it. It's got a lovely orange sunburst around the side. There you are. I'll show you all of it. Plus, what's different is this one has got a maple fretboard on the gorgeous maple neck. So, Kala was showing these off at this year's NAMM show. I'll pop a link to a video that I found showing this one, and there is another pattern. It's like a flowery one as well, sort of dark greens and things like that. And it does say there are going to be more. So the official model number of this is the KA-SB-P-ORB-FS. Kala Solid Body Paisley Orange Burst with frets. So the recommended retail price of these was announced at £449. Southern Ukulele Store are selling them at £399. They're not on the Kala website yet, so I don't know what Kala are going to be selling them for. And Bass Direct have got a couple of them in stock, a little bit cheaper at £349. Little bit more expensive than the other colours, but this isn't just another colour. This has got this print, the sunburst, and of course, because you can't get the electric through the front now, they've done a bit of a redesign on it. Right, let's look at the specs properly. Okay, scale of these, 23.5 inches. Overall length, 33.5 inches. And the weight of this one is coming in at 2.4 kilogram, 5 pounds 3 ounces. I have mentioned this before. I've got a few Kalas and they do all weigh slightly differently. This one's 2.4 kilograms. I think my heaviest one is 2.8 kilograms. Okay, just for you to be aware of that. It's got this gorgeous gloss finish with a transparent one-ply pick guard on it. And as I've mentioned many times already, this paisley colour or paisley print with the sunburst, okay? And then over the back, I'd call that a lovely burnt orange colour. It's just wow to look at. The body is made out of akum wood, the neck is maple, and the fingerboard is maple, with a lovely matched maple headstock as well. It's a PPS nut and the nut width is about 45 millimeters. So we've got a top-loaded bridge, 4 saddle on that. It's chrome. All my other SBU basses have got black hardware, but yeah, chrome bridge, chrome pots, volume and tone. Chrome close gear 1:18 ratio tuners as well, and I do love these. They work very well on these instruments. It's got the passive split coil pickup that you'd find on Fender Precisions, for example, but it gives you that nice thuddy sound. Comes with a truss rod. These come with round wound strings on them as well, and Kala worked with La Bella to design these strings, and they're slightly thicker gauge, but they work very, very well on these instruments. And yes, I love flat wounds, but these round wounds are very nice. And the bass does come with a nice padded gig bag. It's got a really comfy padded handle on it. It's got slightly padded rucksack straps, and it has got a really nice sized accessory pocket in the front, which I can confirm fits my nice big chunky iPad in the big chunky case, okay? And it also comes with a truss rod adjustment tool and a tiny little mini Allen for making adjustments on the saddle. So that's the specs, features and price of the Paisley Orange Solid Body U-Bass. I will put all the specs and features up for you right now on the screen so you can have a good look. Don't forget, you can pause the video. Right, it is time to hear this gorgeous, gorgeous bass. I'm going directly into my audio interface, hence why I'm wearing headphones so I can hear what I am playing. I do recommend wearing headphones when you listen to bass, so if you're using tiny little speakers, you just don't hear it. And a warning, I've got a very squeaky strap on here, okay? But this is what the bass sounds like. Okay, that is with the tone turned right down, in other words, full bass. I'm going to turn it now the other way, full up, so it's all treble. Remember as well, I've got round wound strings on this, okay? All my other mini basses now have got flat wounds on them, but I wanted to do this review as it is in the original condition. Right, I'm just turning the tone back down again. Okay, so as I said, this is how the bass came to me. Action-wise, it is not too bad. I haven't done any setup on it at the minute, and we're looking at about 2.5 mil at 12th fret. I will do a bit of tweaking to it, especially if I'm going to put flat wounds on it. Maybe lower the action a fraction, but yeah, it is very playable and very nice to play set up like this. Right, I'm going to turn this overhead mic off now because that squeaking strap's getting on my nerves. Yeah, it is lovely to play even with the round wounds on, and I think what I am going to do as well, before I put the flat wounds on this bass, I've been playing these solid body basses a couple of years now. I may do a proper comparison between the round wounds and the flat wounds. I think that would be fun. Right, some more sound demos but with back-in tracks this time. Right, let's stop this squeaking strap for a minute. Hopefully you didn't hear it during the demos too much. So this is what this got. In fact, I'm going to take this off. It's easier. This is what this gorgeous, if anybody is interested in the strap, it's quite a cheap Laccato, very padded. I bought my nephew one of these a little while ago, and it's really, really comfy. If you watched me doing the live unboxing, we were talking about straps, and somebody said a plain black one, which was already in my mind. So there we are. That's the strap, not squeaking anymore. So yes, the Orange Paisley Kala solid body. I'm not going to lie, I absolutely love it. As I said earlier on, when I saw it, it just got under my skin. Yeah, it's lovely to look at. It's lovely to play. I love the fact it's got this maple neck on it as well. And yeah, just the clear pick guard as well. And as I said earlier, obviously you've still got access to the electronics at the other side. So yes, this bass is a little bit more expensive than the other colours. It isn't just a colour though, it's got this gorgeous print with the sunburst as well. So yeah, I am very, very glad to be a new owner of this gorgeous bass. So I do hope you have enjoyed this video. Maybe found it useful, maybe enjoyed it, maybe tempted you to go and buy one of these as well. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site and I will pop a link in the description below for that. As always, though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.